When editing your blocks or rotations, it's important to tell the system what you'd like it to do with your existing schedule assignments. Would you like these assignments to alter and follow the length of the block no matter what that length becomes? Or would you like the schedule to take these assignments and lock them in to the dates they're assigned to no matter what happens to the block length? Let's demonstrate. First, be sure you're working in the block schedule for a single staff type. In this example, we're looking at the R1 block schedule. Then, click any one of the cells in the top row. Then, look to your info box. In this example, our schedule has 12 custom blocks. Let's say we wanted to increase that number to 13. First, we should choose whether to lock block detail or fit detail to columns. Let's fit detail to columns and add one more column. Our schedule has adjusted so that it now has 13 blocks. The schedule assignments in each block have adjusted to fit that particular block. The new block, number 13, has been added to the end of the year. The assignments in that block have been repeated from block number 12. To turn on our block numbers, right-click along the cell at the top and choose Block Numbers. Let's return our schedule to 12 blocks. Now, let's choose the other option, Lock Block Detail, and increase the schedule to 13 blocks again. The blue text that appears indicates an exception to that block assignment. For example, Rosen was assigned to the Endo service for block 1. For block 2, Rosen is assigned to the GI service. The blue text in that cell tells us that while Rosen is on the GI service for most of the block, from 7:29 to 7:30, Rosen is still on the endocrine service. When you're adjusting the number of blocks and the dates for those blocks, be sure to choose Fit Detail to Columns if you'd like your existing schedule assignments to follow those columns. If you'd like the assignments to stay relative to the particular dates and not the columns they fall into, choose Lock Block Detail when you adjust your blocks and rotations.